Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit your TON into Binance from the Telegram. So first of all, go to TON and select TON network. Remember, there should be more than 0.001 TON. Okay, and make sure the both memo and addresser should be correct successfully and need to be. Now go to Telegram, search on wallet and open wallet, and from Telegram you should withdraw and continue, then select external wallet and press the TON address from the Telegrams. This is the TON address, deposit address, and here you go and going to Telegram and paste here and allow paste, then wait, then continue, then select the TON. I select 1 TON for testing purpose and continue, and the tag comment and tag memo is important. So go to against Binance and copy the tag memo coins, and again go to the Telegrams and paste your memo and press everything is correct. So continue and your TON will be sent within 1 minute. So let's see, and back to TON. Okay, there is a loading. Let's see what's going on, and perhaps this transaction was success. So back to the back to our Telegram, back to our yes, process is successfully. So let's see where we have TON is successfully deposited, I think. Okay, we got a notification TON transaction deposits. So here you can see our current transaction is overall come without any hesitations. So that's it, TON is successfully deposited. So that's all, guys, and yeah, everything is going to come. Yeah, look at this. This is so easy as it is. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and like and subscribe our channels.